Hi everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, nowadays I can't make blog video, but today I have come here and in this location. So, as we can see in our behind side, all over side, actually around side like desert. This area look like a desert, but it's actually a sandy area, but it's not a real desert. Okay, so as you can see now I am walking on the like look like desert area. So as you can see, so very nice place when I visit this area, so my mind actually fresh because this place after before 2 months ago I was visited this area, and now I have come here because our own crops I visit today like rice seedlings, so that is why I have come here. Okay, so now I return my home, and actually our village. So as we can see, our village actually around 2 kilometer distance in this place and our village, and now all around site not any person here. It is only one me, and not any person here, but this is the actually a sandy area, not desert, so look like desert. So that is why any person not here, because so actually their brothers uh, nowadays I can't make video, so many reason, but nowadays our working busy working busy, so that is why I can't make video. And tomorrow uh, our rice planting work start, and today I visit our rice seedlings and rice seedlings field. I was visit, and evening time I will come this place because our rice seedlings. Okay, so wow, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है इन दिस फील्ड. ओके, सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय.